In today's video, I'm going to teach you using the mouse with modifier keys. By the end, you'll be comfortably navigating your scene by orbiting, panning, and zooming using simple mouse actions combined with the Alt key on Windows or the Option key on Mac. This approach keeps your hands on the mouse and makes moving around your workspace fast and precise. First, a quick note on the mouse buttons. The left button is your primary click, the middle button is usually activated by pressing down on the scroll wheel, and the right button opens context menus in many apps. We'll use all three, but always together with Alt or Option. When I say click and drag, that means hold the button down while moving the mouse. Let's start with orbiting, also known as rotating your view. Hold Alt or Option on a Mac, then click and drag with the left mouse button. As you drag, your view rotates around your object, letting you see it from any angle. Small, smooth movements give you fine control. Horizontal drags rotate around the vertical axis. Vertical drags tilt the view up or down. If you ever feel disoriented, stop dragging, reposition your cursor closer to the object, and try gentle movements again. Release the mouse button before releasing Alt to finish the action cleanly. Next is panning, which moves your view sideways or up and down without changing the angle. Hold Alt or Option and click and drag with the middle mouse button. Think of this as sliding the camera across the scene. This is useful when your object is off-center or you want to line up details while keeping your current angle. Again, smooth, steady drags help you stay oriented. If your mouse wheel is stiff, a lighter touch can prevent accidental zooming. Finally, zooming brings you closer to or farther from your subject. Hold Alt or Option and click and drag with the right mouse button. Dragging usually moves you in and out. Try both directions to feel which way zooms in your setup. For quick adjustments, you can also roll the mouse wheel to zoom incrementally. Use slow, controlled movements for precision, and longer drags or faster scrolls when you need to cover more distance. To practice, orbit to choose a good angle, pan to center your subject, then zoom to the right distance. Repeat that cycle as you work. With a little practice, these motions become second nature and dramatically speed up your navigation. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing these 3 moves until they feel effortless.